The JUICED quad project. We're going to be taking two JUICED duals and turning one of them into a JUICED quad, and the other one will be a JUICED zero. In other words, it'll be a longboard with a deck. So I think I'll be riding that one for the demonstration. So what we're doing today, this is David's existing board. We're going to take off the motor controller and battery pack, and we're going to actually dig into the brain box. And what we want to do is the data signal that's going to the motor controller to control the speed of these things, we want to grab that data line, and we're going to be taking the other battery pack and brain box and mounting it, and the motors and truck, we're going to be mounting it on this side. And we're going to be interconnecting these two packs. We're going to take the signal data line being sent to the motor controller, and we're going to send it from one controller to both, so that one controller will control both sets of wheels. All right. So that's the plan, and let's see how it goes. It's important that you wear these gloves, because this is surgery. This is JUICED board surgery. And this is the operating table. And I'm crazy. So inside, we're just taking the rubber gasket off, and we're just flipping it on its back so we don't have to disconnect the motor lines. And I'm just supporting this back side. So this is the battery pack here, and this is the what JUICED calls the brain box. And just prying that off reveals the controller circuit board here. And what we're going to do is look at this circuit, maybe under a microscope, a magnifying glass, identify the components, and we'll be able to narrow it down where the signal is going to the motor controllers. I'm hoping it's just a what's called a PWM signal, a pulsed width modulation signal. So we'll find out. So yeah, because the traces, the I2C traces are so small, we have to use very fine wire to actually hook onto these traces, and then I'm going to be tacking these wires down with CA, thicker form of crazy glue, and then the wires can go to a more robust shielded cable that's going to connect these two brain circuit boards, brain boxes together. So flashing green means that it's connected. And right, so it still works, which is good. So the data lines haven't been severed. Perfect. Okay, so we've got the I2C data line going between the two. Both of them are flashing green, indicating this is the master, and it's sending its signal to itself, but also sending the I2C data line to this one. And when there we go.